Hey little kids, today I will learn you how to write 1 to 20. First one is 0. To make a circle, this is 0. Now make a standing line and a small slanting line and a sleeping line, and this is 1. Now clean it. Make a big S-shaped curve and then a sleeping line, and this is 2. Write a small curve and then a big curve, and this is 3. One slanting line, then sleeping line and a standing line, and this is 4. Write a sleeping line, small standing line and then a big curve, and this is 5. Make a curve shape and then a small circle, and this is 6. A sleeping line and a slanting line and then a small sleeping line, and this is 7. Make a S shape and then join two heads, and this is 8. Draw a circle and then turn it to the down, and this is 9. And now you know how to write a 1 and a 0, and this is 10. Now kids, try to write 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel for more videos. Bye bye.